So good morning friends, today we are going to see CBSE EVS chapter 3 A Day with Nandu. So Nandu wakes up. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. So for a few seconds he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. So, the grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. So, the sun was overhead and it was getting hot. So, Nani Ma trumpeted, made a loud sound. Nani Ma is the oldest in this herd of elephants. So Nanima is the grandmother or mother of Nandu. Children, how you call your grandmother? So she started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started follow her. So Nandu also went with them. So when they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. So each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. So after they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. So the mother lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. So do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? So elephants do not rest very much. So they sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. So elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. So their big ears also work like fans. So the elephant flap these to keep themselves cool. So fun and games. So Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling each other's tail. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? I'm still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. So Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water as if she was telling him to go and play. So Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. So just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. So before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. So, an elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. So, a herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. So, male elephants live in the herd. Still, they are 14 to 15 years old. Then, they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in groups. These animals group are called herd. So animals in herds usually move around together searching for food. So in the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decides everything, who takes decisions in your family. Okay, who takes your decision in your family? So Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend a whole day with your friends, what all would you do? So find out and write which other animals love and hurt. So do you also live in a group? Do you like to live together like that? Why would you like or not like to live in a group? So have you ever taken a ride on an elephant? How did it feel? Which animals have you sat on? Write their names. So why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? So have you seen any animal riding on another animal? Write its name. Yes, I have seen an oxpecker sitting on a zebra. Okay, which animals do we use for riding? Animals using for riding are horse, camel, donkey, and yak. Okay, so what do they say? So snake is asking, the basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer. So the bear is asking, you see me in circles, dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. So the horse is asking, you have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? So, do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoes to my hooves? So the monkey is asking, they make us dance and dance and dance even if we don't want to or we are in pain. That too with an empty stomach. So cat is asking, meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. So sparrow is asking, Guttargu, Guttargu. So do you know people specially called out to me to feed me with grain? So how many legs does this elephant have? Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.